Today we're back at one of my favorite buildings in the Bronx. We're in Riverdale, and this is 3190 Riverdale Avenue, right almost on the corner of West 231st and Riverdale Avenue. We're walking into this amazing living room. Take a look at the detail on the molding here. This building was built brand new from the ground up about 5 years ago. The first tenant that we rented to in this building just moved out. So you can see the super and his elves have all of their materials in here getting ready to make this apartment ready for you. So let's go in and take a look. Since it was new, it was built to be environmentally and green friendly, but you'll notice a lot of electrical outlets throughout this apartment in every room. Let's step back in and let me give you floor to ceiling, inset lighting. You have a Juliet balcony here in the living room. This is screened. All the windows are double paned and screened. Got a beautiful pass-through bar here. If you're not into like a formal dining setup, you could put bar stools here and have even more living room. Granite countertops, a lot of granite countertop space. Again, very functional electric outlets here in the kitchen. Back on this side as well. A lot of nice white oak cabinet space. And you'll see the dishwasher. And double panel fridge, freezer. Now let's take a look at the living room area from the kitchen. We're going to walk through the living room. We're going to take a look at this hallway that you walked in. This is going to be your virtual doorman, your video intercom to the front door, thermostat for the central air and heat. But as I whisked you in the front door, we missed a very large floor to ceiling walk-in closet here. Turning back around as we're entering the apartment, you'll see these French doors. I'm going to open one of them up here and you're going to see your washer and dryer. This is adjacent to the mechanicals for the central air, central heat, and the hot water heater. And we're going to proceed down this hallway. Let's go ahead and just walk back to the master bedroom to get started. Now, again, the previous tenants just moved out 2 days ago, so you're going to see some cleaning and definitely some painting that needs to be done. But let me walk you back into the entrance here and give you a full room view. Beautiful window exposures overlooking Riverdale. You're overlooking Riverdale, but you're not hearing any noise. You're on the 4th floor, but these are double paned windows. Again, double pane windows are great for insulation, but they're also great for baffling ambient sound from the street. Let's take a look at this walk-in closet. This is actually a mini studio inside an apartment here. And it's lighted as well, so, you know, that could be a home office. And the master bedroom has its own bathroom, full bath, glass sliding doors. Let's take a look, go back, take a look floor to ceiling. Now let's go out and see where you could have coffee in the morning, or tea. This is screened here. right, let's go back inside. Again, drawing your attention to just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrical outlets. This is a smoke-free building. We're going to go into the second bedroom. Now this can easily fit a queen, probably 2 nightstands. And an enormous double wide floor to ceiling walk-in closet. The tenants that just moved out were a couple, so they lived in the master bedroom and used this as a home office. So this shelving could be removed just to make it a traditional type closet, or if it works for you, it could remain. Again, nice window exposures overlooking Riverdale. So that's the second bedroom. Let's go back into the master for 1 second and talk about furniture. This could easily fit a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, and let's take a look at the second bathroom. Second full bath. Glass sliding doors. And we're going to end up back in the living room here. This is a great 2-bedroom, 2-bath with balcony and an elevator building with a live-in super and an indoor parking garage that we do have a space available in currently. Want to see a great apartment in Riverdale? Come on down. We'll show it to you. Might be your new home.